So today I'll be reviewing the Focallure highlighters and contour products. So if you've seen my previous Focallure reviews, you know that my big issue with them is always the inconsistent ingredient list. And again, it applies here. I feel like they just copy pasted the same ingredient list over and over again without really considering what's actually inside the products. Because it's really impossible for so many products to have the same exact ingredients. It doesn't even say may contain, but you know, it just lists all the pigments in a row, so which means that it supposedly contains all those pigments. So with that in mind, I feel like I can't trust any of the ingredients. But ingredient list aside, how are the quality of these products? First, let's take a look at swatches. Product really highly disappointed me because even though they all look like so dramatic, I thought I'm gonna have like orange, blue, and gray highlight, but once they're on my face they just look silvery and none of the pigments really show up, so it was kind of disappointing. Some of the yellow and oranges did show up, but you know, like the blue and stuff, I guess if you really press it hard against your fingers, it does show up. But when you apply it as a highlighter, it just, you know, wipes off to just silver. Maybe there's a tinge of blue, but hardly. In fact, I can make a better blue highlight. I've been making my own odd colored highlighters that, you know, has blue, green, purple sheens. I do have a video teaching you how to make your own highlighters. I'll link it above and below. So yeah, if you want a blue highlighter or a green highlighter or a purple highlighter that's cheap, I suggest making your own. Just follow my recipe and you can make your own odd colored highlighter. It's really not worth it buying this palette because it really doesn't show on your face at all. Also, this is another very disappointing product, the Gleam. So it looks very gorgeous and I admit it's so pretty, but you know what, again, I have a hard time getting the pigment off on my brush. You can get it on your fingers if you press it. So, which is why I always hate it when beauty bloggers like swatch using their fingers, because your fingers contain oils that catches the pigment and stuff like that. So of course it looks nice on your fingers, but on a brush it just doesn't stick. And I mean, seriously, you're not going to apply this with your fingers. It's going to look really terrible. So using a brush, the pigment barely comes off, and when I do put it on, it barely shows up. So this is another disappointing product. Now the cream sticks. The multi-sticks I actually really like. My favorite combination for giving my face a very natural looking glow is actually using Lavender Lust layered over Rose Petal Pop, and the results are always so stunning. So I actually use this combination quite a lot every day. I really like it, so that's one good thing. The gold is slightly too dark for my skin tone. It's really cool though, I like it. So these multi-sticks, the formula is really nice. It's creamy, it glides on very easily, it blends very easily, the colors are pigmented enough without looking like haha clown bright. The Focallure face highlighter and contours though, I don't know, it's really strange. So the contour stick, first, it's way too sticky and stiff. So when I'm putting the color on, it really feels like I'm rubbing a dried out glue stick on my face, and it ruins the coverage underneath because it is very stiff. And blending it out, it's okay. I mean, it blends relatively well, but just initial application, you'll be ruining whatever you're wearing underneath. Now the highlighter, it has the opposite problem where it's extremely soft. Yeah, it's extremely streaky and it's very sheer when it's blended out. And I suppose I can build up the pigment by layering it over and over again until I get the opacity I want. But I think by then my face will be super cakey. So I don't know about this. Like, I don't know what's going on. You have one that's too tough and there's one that's too soft, so the quality is very inconsistent. The Glow Illuminator is very pretty. It does remind me of the NYX Liquid Illuminators, which is one of my favorite liquid highlighters. So I really like these. It's beautiful. This one also blends very well. I do enjoy putting this on. It's a bit more sheer, so it looks very natural. You're not going to get that popping glow, but it does look very natural. So even for aging skin with wrinkles and or if you have large pores, it's still okay to use this. It's not going to highlight all the flaws too much. So yeah, even though it looks very bright over here, it's actually very blendable and the pigments are not that huge. So I like this. Overall, I guess, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, I bought 8 products and I only like 4. So, a 50-50 chance of getting crap isn't exactly good odds in my opinion. So I don't know if I can recommend this brand, especially because the inconsistency between different colors within the same line makes me really nervous. What if I'm really lucky and I happen to get this 3 multi-sticks that happens to be really good, and if you get different colors, they're going to be terrible? I don't know. So that's why I'm a bit hesitant about recommending these products. And of course, as I mentioned in the beginning, ingredients. I can't trust ingredients at all. And that's why I have a bit of an announcement. I'm sad to say that I will not be reviewing my Focallure lip products. So if you follow me on IG, you've probably heard the news already, but I'm currently pregnant. I was hoping to wait a bit longer to announce it, but I've been having really bad morning sickness and I've been so tired and emotional all the time. So I've been skipping a lot of events and people are starting to wonder if I hate them. So I thought I should just let people know it's not that I want to skip all these birthday parties and stuff. It's just that I'm really, really sick right now. This is me keeping it together. I'm faking it just for this video. After this is over, I'm gonna curl up in a ball and just feel like puking. I feel nauseous right now actually. So because of this pregnancy, I don't feel safe trying on the Focallure lip products, and that's why I'll be giving them away. I will be hosting a giveaway on Instagram, so just check my Instagram page to see how to participate. And if you're worried about getting Focallure products, there's actually going to be 2 giveaway winners because there's going to be 2 prizes. One is the Focallure lip product and the other one is this set of 3 CE Mood Recipe Lip Color Mini Kit. And I'm using the lipstick right now. I really like it. It's a matte lipstick in various shades of brown that's really perfect for fall. I really like this brand. And the reason I'm giving it away is because I have 2 sets of these. So I was given one by Karis. I'll link my Karis shop below. Anyway, I was given 1 set from Karis to review, and at the same time I've actually bought this on my own before, so that's why this one I'll be giving away, because I want to show my appreciation to all of you. And especially, I'm very grateful. Everybody's been so understanding over my pregnancy. I know I've been very inactive on YouTube because editing videos is a bit tough. And while I can keep it together and look okay for, a few photos, the last 2 weeks it was just too hard. I was just looking too sick for a video. I did decide to vlog about my pregnancy. I'll upload them eventually once I'm done editing, and you can see how sick I looked the last 2 weeks. So anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching this entire thing. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And yeah, if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It'll help a lot. Anyway, see you next time. See you.